How to update notes in Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can update your notes in Instagram. Notes are usually enabled by default, but if you have them disabled, you can easily enable and update them by following these steps. Open your Instagram application and click on the profile icon at the bottom. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Here, click on Notifications and scroll down. Click on Post Stories and Comments. In this section, when you scroll down, you will see Notes option here. Click on to enable it. Now, if you have already enabled your notes and want to update them, return to the home page. Click on that messenger icon at the top. You will see the notes you have previously posted. By clicking on Note, options like Delete Note and Leave a New Note will appear. Click on Leave a New Note and add a new one. After making the changes, click on Share button at the top to save the updates. And there you have it. You have successfully updated your notes now. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.